Have you ever wondered what happens to the soda can after you throw it away? If it ends up in a landfill, it could sit there for over 200 years. But if it's recycled, it can be back on the shelf as a brand new can in just 60 days. Recycling aluminium saves 95% of the energy needed to make new aluminium from raw materials. That's enough energy to power a TV for 3 hours just from one can. It also reduces greenhouse gas emissions, conserves natural resources like bauxite, and keeps our environment clean. Plus, aluminium can be recycled again and again without losing quality. So next time you finish a soda or use foil, don't just toss it, recycle it.
In conclusion, the effort might be small, but it is very impactful indeed. So let us normalize recycling and preserve our planet for the future generation. Thank you.
Farisha made a DIY recycling bin using cardboard. Ever thought about what happens when you don't recycle plastic? Plastic takes up to 1,000 years to decompose in landfills. Most plastic waste end up in oceans, which harms sea turtles, fish, and other marine animals. It is also estimated that by the year of 2050, there could be more plastic than fish in the ocean by weight. Did you know that one recycled plastic bottle can save enough energy to power a light bulb for 3 hours? Crazy, right? Recycling plastic also reduces the need to make new plastic from oil and natural gas, which are both non-renewable resources. Producing new plastic uses a lot of energy and pollutes the air that we breathe.